Hi, in this video we will show a little bit how to manage the actual positions. The easiest is you just right click and then you click on add new position, and then you can choose the symbol, for example Apple, then how many shares, let's say we have 200, and the entry price was $100. And then when you go from the entry price, if you want to know the current price, you can just go question mark and then it will plug in the current price. But let's see, we have a simple one, just 100, and then you can see automatically it used the 3% range for the target and 2% for the stop out. If you have different ranges, for example, if you have 5% target and 4% stop out, then if you go and blank out the price again and just leave the price, then it will use now these settings for the different ones. And then you can, for example, do a portfolio name. If you want, you can leave it blank, and when you click add, immediately it will add it to the whole raster. And then when the next tick comes in, you see there's our new position, and now we have 5% for the stop and 4% for the stop out. And you can just click, and then you can manually, if you want to have manually an adjustment, for example, you want to have 40 and 65, let's say you have a specific price based on resistance, and then you have a stop out of 98.70 or 96.73. you can easily modify, and then immediately it will adjust the setting to that. Then if you change, that's how the modifiers, you can either double click or you can select modify. And the last thing is you can do also, once the position actually is closing, then you can enter your exit price. Let's say we have from $100 we got actually 104. Automatically takes the current date, but you can modify that. And then how many shares, if we have only 100, for example, half, then it will automatically, there you can see, adjust the shares to half. There was our test position. And then if we do another close for maybe even a better price, 105, then that's the second half close position. And then automatically in the home file it generates for those two closings tracking, where we can see the symbol and then the times, how many shares we sold, what the entry and exit prices in both cases, and then what's our profit and loss. $3 is kind of a default for commission, but you can change that, and that helps you keeping track of all your trades. And then the position, you can see it disappears from the display. Thank you. That was modify, adding and closing positions demo.